This is Poco X6 Pro, and I just flashed a custom ROM on this phone, which is ColorOS 15. This is a port ROM. The developer is Adarsh, I guess, and he created amazing ROM. So in this video we're gonna see everything you need to know about this ROM, its performance and camera, battery life and everything. So let's start the video. First things first, it does come with a dynamic island thing. When you do certain things like notification or something, you do get a dynamic island. By the way, let's start with the starting. This is the based on Android 15. This is based on Android 15, and this is ColorOS port for this Poco X6 Pro. This is the developer name Adarsh, and he created an amazing ROM. Let's start with the bugs, because everyone should know this. Fingerprint sensor is not working, and the other bug was when I was clicking pictures like rapidly, like this. Let me show you. This happened. Did you see that camera crashed? But it was not crashing always. See, sometime it works, sometime it crashes. You can use Gcam. By the way, 4K 60 FPS you can unlock in this camera. You just have to go in a setting. Damn, just don't know why it's not working. See, it was working. I just clicked these pictures in this. Pictures are good. I can't say it's the best, but it's good. I even recorded a 4K 60 FPS video here. I was testing how it camera performs. By the way, let's start with the UI, user interface. You get the same ColorOS user interface like this, and the app opening speeds are amazing. You even get the animation. Can you see it? It feels smooth. This ROM is one of the most smooth ROM that I have used for now. Bro, start working. Let's get back to other things. Like, I've been using this since like yesterday. I did run AnTuTu, and it's kind of fucked up. Let me show you. It just scored around 11 lakh, and it was not in a gaming mode when I run this, and when I run in a gaming mode it goes to 12 lakh, 12.60,000. Okay, matlab you have to place these apps in a game apps, and then it goes to 12 lakh and something. Let's start with the settings we have here. First we get airplane mode. Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working fine, mobile data 5G is working fine in my device, and connection and sharing, you do get quick share, but you don't get Xiaomi share, which is fastest. By the way, I did run this. You can literally use this feature and cast your screen in your device like Xiaomi other devices, and it was working fine. Let's get back to other things like wallpaper and style. You do get these kind of wallpapers. Can you see it? You just have to tap once, and the dynamic it supports the dynamic. Can you see it? You can even tap here and use different. This was better. Game on. And you can even style it with some like lenses feature. Can you see this? Wallpaper can be styled, but let's keep the original one. Or this. Turn on the depth. When you turn on the depth, it comes front of it. It is a good feature. Discard. You can use any of these wallpapers. Always on display is working, but only for the 10 seconds, not for a long run. Fingerprint sensor is not working. That's the major bug. Colors are beautiful. Literally you can change any of these, and you can change the whole appearance of the device. See, it goes like different. Can you see these red things? And when I go here and I go for the color one, and I choose, like, you can even choose any separate color. I'm going with the Alpine. See, colors are beautiful. This ROM feels amazing. You can use it for the daily use, but you don't get play integrity fixed. To fix this, if you don't know how to get the strong integrity, I have created a video. Go watch that video to get the strong integrity, so that you can use banking apps and other apps. There's no bootloader spoof, you have to use modules. By the way, in gaming there is only 90 FPS unlocked. To get the higher FPS, you have to flash these modules. I use these modules like FPS unlock and Google backup and Lysis and ls post. Now let me show you. You have seen the AnTuTu score. Now let me show you how it performs when you game. I've been playing like more than 2 hours, like 3 times, total 6 hours, and I tested multiple times. This was the result when I just flashed the ROM and installed the game and played. It literally went to 53 minimum, and the average was 100. Maximum was 119. It was okay, but if you use any X-Power or any gaming ROM, those RAMs performs better than this. And then I ran again, and it was like it got stable, because I just flashed the ROM and then started playing games, and then it got stable 80 minimum and goes to average 100. And then when I played for the third time, see, 94 is minimum and the average is 113. These are the scores from the TDM. When you play, see, this is the score from the Erangel. When you play Erangel and classic matches, it goes smooth 110 FPS, but at the event there was 40 players and it was gone down to 75 FPS. Maximum was 120 while like roaming freely when there is no other players. So this was the gameplay. Let me show you the latest one. This is the latest. It shows minimum 0 because I twist, because मैंने ऐसे game ही हटा दिया था and then came back. So this was the gameplay. If you want, I can show you a gameplay video. You do get all the ColorOS features, like edge lighting is working fine too. You can just turn it on, like notification and everything you want. I just don't like it. You can change even display sizes, large, small. And then there is a quick settings. You can use the classic one. Classic one is like you have to do and then once more. This is the classic. And when you switch back to the split, here is the notification panel, here is the quick settings. You can even reset layout, customize it. Like, by the way, there was this feature. When you go to the active service, you can literally stop apps working in the background, and this saves battery. By the way, it gave me 8 hours of backup, in which 8 hours I played 2 hours of non-stop gaming. But it doesn't perform well while gaming. It's like average. It goes 75 down. And then we do get wallpaper, and then home screen you can customize with. I use this app drawer, and 4 you can even make it 5 columns are more amazing. It looks like heavily. And then you do get lock layout, and then all the feature, icon, pull down gesture. You do get a sidebar like this, like all the other ROMs. You can screen record, voice translation and screenshot and everything. Gaming features are working, the gaming mode and everything. You can use voice changer and everything. Sound is fine, Bluetooth is working fine. You do get when you record a video, you do get a surround sound video. Notification and quick settings, you can customize it as well. Everything ColorOS feels amazing, literally. By the way, fingerprint sensor is not working. Is about device. This is Poco X6 Pro and 512GB variant. By the way, when you on the camera, all lenses are not turned on. You have to go in the settings and turn the lenses on. I just don't know why it's not working now. Abhi 10 minutes before it was working fine. See, I took the pictures using it only. This was the first picture after flashing the ROM. Let's get back to the main part of the video. Let's run a BGMI gameplay and see how it performs when it comes to gaming. I'm gonna turn on FPS meter so you guys can see, because everyone just asks about how it performs in while gaming. Turn on, lock the app, locked. Let's run this. See, this feature is working fine. So that this feature is working fine. Here you guys can see FPS, and if you match with this, see, sometimes I'm confused. It shows 1 0, then they are matching now, but while gaming sometimes it says 120 and it says 30. It is matching for the now. It is doing good. By the way, this ROM doesn't make you device feel warm like X Power or any other ROM, which gives a better gameplay. But I didn't feel a heat or something. Game focus and everything is working fine. Quick, you even get quick startup and everything, so that game can launch faster. So then the rule is very simple. I'm gonna put FPS meter here. You guys can see the FPS. I just tabbed it. No, I will start when the game starts to make the FPS status. And the volume booster is works amazing. It goes to 300%.
And does not represent real life. Please play in moderation. Take frequent breaks.
See, it shows. Can you see the FPS? Let me focus the device. And then I hope it is visible to all of you. See, the gyro is working fine. I have made it.
Blue team has scored for the first time.
Let me start the FPS. It goes to the 100 FPS, 100 and 110. Oh shit. दसों की चांद है. Let me go from the behind. छुपा बैठा है. Damn. I just got hit.
The blue team is in the lead.
I don't feel any jitter or lag. See, it's gone down to 90-98 FPS. That's not good thing. अबे उसके ही पास चला गया. तेरे आईने फेल दिया. एक को मारो साला दूसरा मेरे को फेल देता है. Latency is good. I don't feel any delay and lag, and it's a different thing that I in a noob lobby. जिथे भी जांदे उससे करांगे.
The blue team is about to win.
अबे भाई मर. साला उछल उछल के मार रहा है आया. So this was the video about this ROM. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have came here at the end, I suggest go subscribe to the channel. That will help me grow. अबे ठीक है, bye bye. Love you all.